What is up, everyone? I am happy to be back on the vlogging train. I've been gone for a little while now, but I'm in Canada. I'm super excited to share with you what I have going on this summer. But before that, I want to introduce you to someone.
Ever cruising Lake Ontario.
Yes, so when you come to Canada, the first thing you need to do is go to Tim Hortons. I'm not a big Tim Hortons person, but you do need to check Tim Hortons out when you come.
Hello?
Hi, can I get French vanilla?
What size?
Medium.
Medium French vanilla, sure.
Actually, can I get 2 French vanilla?
Both medium?
Yes.
Sure. Anything else?
1 everything bagel with cream cheese.
Toasted with cream cheese?
Yep.
Anything else?
1 cinnamon raisin bagel toasted with butter.
Cinnamon raisin toasted with butter.
And 2 packs of the small Timbits.
What size do you like? 20, 10?
10?
So you want 2 nice box of 10 timbits?
Yes.
Okay.
And inside, can I only get the honey glazed chocolate and white powder?
So you want 20 timbits total?
Yes.
But in 10 box, right?
Yes.
Anything else?
Nope.
Okay. So 2 medium French vanilla, everything toasted cream cheese, cinnamon raisin toasted butter, and 20 timbits. Then 14.25 coming up, please.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
That was a really long order.
Take me to your heart.
I belong to you.
Take me to your soul.
Good. Thank you. Now, this is my first bit of Tim Hortons since I've arrived in Canada. Alright, so hopefully I have a few things that are a little bit more exciting for you to watch since now that I'm back in Canada. I do apologize for not vlogging in the last few days. Things have been crazy busy, just getting settled in. I am in Toronto right now. Go Raptors. I'll see you tomorrow. I'm out. Peace. Stay in the gray area.